Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to our show, Importations Tebow TV, TTV. Today, as promised, we're going to talk to you about the iconic brand, Two Brothers Racing. For all of you that are the same generation as me, you're going to definitely recognize Two Brothers Racing. Two Brothers Racing made a huge impact on the sport bike world, especially in the 1990s. Highly recognized in the AMA, factory race team, Honda, RC30 development, Freddie Spencer. I mean, we could probably go on for hours about these guys, and an iconic brand, no doubt. Well, we've come a long way since those early years of the 90s. Nowadays, in 2018, Two Brothers Racing has got a lot more to offer on the plate than just for sport bikes. They have an extensive lineup that's branded under TBR, Two Brothers Racing, but for our metric cruisers and Harley Davidsons. First, let's begin by going over some of the models in the sport bike category, and then we'll get into some of that TBR stuff in a bit. The factory and the headquarters are based out of Santa Ana, California. Two Brothers pride themselves in being an American company, and it's all handmade American product. You'll notice in the construction, it's all hand TIG welded. The quality of the materials that are selected are of only the best. You'll notice that there's stainless steel rivets and also a wide selection of different finishes. Getting into those finishes, you can select between aluminum, titanium, or carbon fiber. There's a standard series and there's also a black series. Dyno tuned for maximum performance and great sound, their baffle systems are again constructed using only stainless steel materials and really high quality packing. Incidentally, there are packing and baffle kit replacements available as well in their accessory lineup. Their most recent addition to their lineup would be the introduction of TBR for the cruiser market, both metric cruiser and American V-twin. They offer a selection of complete exhaust systems constructed out of stainless steel and fitted to accept stock O2 sensors. Available in multiple finishes, you can select from a high quality nickel plate chrome to an all black series or even with carbon fiber end cap. And lastly, it's important to mention that there's a wide selection of accessories to support the lineup, varying from fuel injection modules to air intakes to get the perfect tune every time. Well, that's all the time we have left for our review on Two Brothers Racing. For any additional information, please refer to the Importations Tebow catalog. Join us next time. We're going to be interviewing the people from Polysport who are going to be visiting us here in the studio. Look forward to seeing you then. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.